Hey everyone, Mitch from NZCS here. Today I'm going to show you how to use the snipping tool. The snipping tool is a great tool to use when you want to take a screenshot of something on your PC. So there's a shortcut to open up the snipping tool really quickly, and all you need to do is press the Windows key, Shift and S. So that's what I'm going to do now. And you'll see my window here goes a little bit tinted. I'm not sure if you can see it, hopefully you can, but I'll describe it anyway. So the whole entire monitor, all of the monitors, go tinted, and then I can use my mouse to then drag an area where I'd like to take a screenshot of something. So freeform rectangle. You can also change the shapes of what you're wanting to take in the settings. So I'm just going to take a screenshot of this spot right here, and this will then open up in Snipping Tool. So I'll just drag this over to my upper screen. So here is Snipping Tool open with my screenshot. Now, any screenshots or snapshots you take with the Snipping Tool will automatically save into a location in your File Explorer. We'll go through that in just a moment. So here I am in the Snipping Tool window. I can then edit this to my heart's desire. So if I want to underline it, I can do it like that. Granted, not a very straight line. I can also highlight it as well. Again, not a very straight line. They did used to have a tool where it would actually highlight a perfectly straight line for text, but they seem to have gotten rid of that, so hopefully it comes back at some point. You can also use the shape tool, which is what I use more these days, to do an outline for a text. So if you're trying to send instructions to someone, this is a great way to do it. So I can then just draw the square shape here and kind of highlight this spot, which is great. And then of course I can use my keys on my keyboard to then move the shape around to my heart's content there too. You can also do other shapes like arrows. If you wanted to point to something, you can just draw an arrow, which is great again for sending instructions to someone or whatever you want to use it for. And if I wanted to, I can also add in a couple of emojis. So now I'm just going to draw a couple of shapes here. So let's just circle this. If I want to get rid of it, I can simply click the eraser tool and click anywhere to get rid of that. I can also recrop the size of the screenshot that I've taken and do what I need to do. Now, as I mentioned before, the unedited version of the screenshot is automatically saved to your PC. And if you want to edit it from then onwards, you can do your edit like so, and then hit the save button, and I will then be able to save it to my PC. Now, the location where your pictures your screenshots will automatically save to is in your File Explorer. Go to the Pictures folder under your name, and then the Screenshots folder. Anything you've ever taken a screenshot of will always be kept there. Another good trick with the snipping tool is that you can actually take a screen recording as well. So if you just simply click on the camera icon, you can then select the area you want to record, and then start a screen recording, which will start after a countdown. So as you can see here, screen recordings are automatically saved to your screen recordings folder. I can then play this video, and you can see it's captured everything that I wanted it to catch. So Snipping Tool is a great way to take screenshots of sections of a page or a website or a document, whatever you want to do, or even take a full screenshot as well. I have the Snipping Tool icon pinned to my taskbar for easy access, but remember, you can always open it by hitting Windows key, Shift and S.
Thanks for watching today's video. If you found it useful, please give it a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more. You'll find lots of tips and tricks on there, uploaded weekly. Also, don't forget to check us out on LinkedIn. Thanks for watching.